I'm Constance Crompton, a Canada Research Chair in Digital Humanities in the Department of Communication at the University of Ottawa. Most of my work is involved in creating smart data, getting what we know about history into linked data format. That's a format that then can be read, understood, and parsed by machines to help us make decisions based on what we know through humanities research in the digital sphere. History really gives us the power to make evidence-backed decisions about the future. It tells us how it is that we got here. It also shows us that it was possible to live in other ways. We're not stuck in the sort of current moment. The more of that history we can get into the hands of Canadians, the more they will have the evidence they need to make informed decisions about where to go from here. Do you know, I come from a humanities background, and I didn't know that I would love computing so much. I had the good fortune as a doctoral student to get started working on a digital humanities project. And I realized that I could have it all. I could have the humanities habits of mind, that critical thinking angle, that engagement with history, as well as all the fun of computing and building and making digital content. And the thing that gets me out of bed in the morning is that I now get to do that here at Ottawa U with a wide group of students through my research lab.